Welcome to Tech Bytes, your hub for quick and easy tech episodes. Today we're exploring Node.js, the JavaScript gem loved by developers worldwide. Let's dive into the installation part. Installing Node.js and Node Package Manager is the first step. Go to your browser and search Node.js download. You can access the official Node.js website by clicking here. Now you will be redirected to the Node.js websites. Here, please download the installer for the version of Windows you are using. Either the LTS or the current version is fine, although the LTS version is recommended for most users. After downloading the file, double-click to install the MSI binary file to initiate the installation process. Then give access to run the application. When you click the Next button, you will see a welcome message on your screen. The installation process will begin. Once you have clicked Next, you will be required to accept the agreement. Please accept the agreement by checking the box after selecting the Next button will be enabled. Please click on the Next button. The next step is to select the desired path where you would like to install Node.js. On clicking the Next button, you will be presented with a custom page. You should select npm package manager instead of the default Node.js runtime. By doing so, we will be able to install Node and npm simultaneously. To install Node.js and npm features, you will need approximately 67 MB of disk space. As a default, the following features are installed. The next button here will allow you to install the tools that are necessary to compile native modules. Please check the box if you wish to install otherwise leave the default settings. Please click on the Next button. Bang. The setup is ready for the installation of Node and npm. Click the install button so hard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed Node in your system. Now click on the Finish button. Check Node.js and npm version. In case you are unsure whether everything is installed correctly or not, let us verify it with the command prompt. In order to verify, please open your command prompt. On the screen, a command prompt window will appear. The Node v command can be used to confirm Node installation. The version of Node can be found here. Using the command npm-v, you can confirm the installation of npm. The version of npm can be found here. In addition, you do not need to worry if you see different numbers from mine, since Node and npm are updated frequently. That's it in this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to LSET for more updates.